तो एक दिन मेरी माँ शी केम अप टू मी एंड शी वाज लाइक ये ऑडिशंस चल रहे हैं और आपको जाना है। तो मैंने कहा नहीं, नहीं जाना है, मुझे स्कूल जाना है, मेरे दोस्त के साथ खेलना है और मिलना है। मम्मी ने कहा ये आपको आप ऑडिशन पे जाओगे एंड इफ द ऑडिशन वर्क्स एंड यू गेट दिस रोल, आपको 3 महीने के लिए स्कूल नहीं जाना पड़ेगा। तो मैंने कहा मैं तो जा रही हूँ, मुझे तो ये बहुत आई लव द साउंड ऑफ दिस। Madhuri Dixit's return film and I'm playing her daughter. Actually ज्यादा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, आपको किसके साथ काम नहीं करना है, क्योंकि मुझे सबके साथ काम करना है। And she said, if there was anything in your life that you could do and you knew you would succeed 100%, what would it be? And अंदर से without even thinking मैंने कहा acting. जब भी जिंदगी में कुछ मुश्किल हो जाता है, जब भी whenever like life really knocks you down, आप वापस उठते हो, मुक्का मारते हो और चले जाते हो।
Hi everyone, you're watching me on ABP Live as well as ENT Live। आज मेरे साथ दलाई हैं और ये उन बहुत कम लोगों में से हैं जिन्हें अपनी करियर की बहुत स्टार्टिंग में ही माधुरी दीक्षित के साथ काम करने का मौका मिल गया है। Hi दलाई, how are you?
Hi, I'm very well, Divya. How are you? It's very hot in Mumbai right now, but other than that, I'm good.
I hope आप बेयर कर लो इतनी गर्मी है। You are hot as well, I guess।
अरे आप क्या कह रहे हो? थैंक यू।
So दलाई, जैसे कि मैंने आपको इंट्रोडक्शन दिया माधुरी दीक्षित के साथ, सबसे पहले आप वही बता दो कि वो क्या था, कैसा था।
तो एक दिन मेरी माँ शी केम अप टू मी एंड शी वाज लाइक ये ऑडिशंस चल रहे हैं और आपको जाना है। तो मैंने कहा नहीं, नहीं जाना है, मुझे स्कूल जाना है, मेरे दोस्त के साथ खेलना है और मिलना है। मम्मी ने कहा ये आपको आप ऑडिशन पे जाओगे एंड इफ द ऑडिशन वर्क्स एंड यू गेट दिस रोल, आपको 3 महीने के लिए स्कूल नहीं जाना पड़ेगा। तो मैंने कहा मैं तो जा रही हूँ, मुझे तो ये बहुत आई लव द साउंड ऑफ दिस। And I think that was my entire motivation to not go to school for 3 months. And somehow that landed me on a set with people that you can't even imagine. Matlab, Madhuri Dixit's return film, and I'm playing her daughter. और फिर रणवीर शौरी, विनय पाठक, कोंकणा सेन शर्मा, नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी, इरफान खान। सोचो किसे ऐसे डेब्यू मिलता है। तो it was just the most amazing project, and my first day of shoot was a full Bollywood number. Socho, that's the first day of shoot.
ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट, बहुत किक स्टार्ट मिला मतलब।
हाँ जी, I'm only trying to top that experience with the rest of my career.
No. And if we talk about Big Girls Don't Cry, Amazon Prime का, जिसमें आपको देखा है हम सबने, तो उसमें काम करने का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? क्योंकि बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है, प्राइम है और अच्छी खासी सीरीज है, कैसा था?
तो हर बार जब मैंने प्राइम के साथ काम किया है on Made in Heaven, on any of the unreleased projects that have not released yet because they're unreleased, और ये भी I've just had such a wonderful time. The whole Prime team is just amazing. The way the stories that they platform and encourage. But I think मुझे सबसे खुशी मिली कि I was working with Nitya Mehra again. So she was actually the showrunner on Made in Heaven, which was my first project when I decided to come back and start acting as an adult teenager. And so to work on her first series as a complete creator, and it's her story from her childhood at Welham and as a boarding school girl herself. So that experience was just so amazing. और मुझे लगा कि मैं वापस स्कूल ही चली गई, and I made all these new friends and these girls who in the series with me. It just feels like वो हमारी मतलब पूरी जिंदगी के लिए सखी हैं।
वाओ ग्रेट, बहुत कम होता है ऐसा आपका बॉन्ड बन जाए किसी भी सेट पे।
100%, it's very rare, and to have it happen like ऐसी chemistry बन जाती है is like so thankful about that.
लवली। और जब मैंने नाम पढ़ा ना बिग गर्ल्स डोंट क्राई, तो मेरा तो पहला रिएक्शन ये था कि क्या, आई गेस दे क्राई द मोस्ट। व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस इस टाइटल पे?
I think actually Pooja Bhatt ji said this very well हमारे पहले इंटरव्यूज में कि क्या है ना कि big girls cry, of course they cry, but big girls don't cry really means कि जब भी जिंदगी में कुछ मुश्किल हो जाता है, जब भी whenever like life really knocks you down, आप वापस उठते हो, मुक्का मारते हो और चले जाते हो। बिकॉज big girls can cry, big girls can fall apart, big girls
Hmm.
can be anxious, big girls can be heartbroken, but you know
Hmm.
what we never do is we never make a home out of our grief. We always open that door, leave that structure
Hmm.
and move on.
Okay, and tell us something about your character in that, please.
So I play the character Anandita Rawat urf Pluggy.
Yeah.
And Pluggy है उनकी नाम because boarding school में जब आप fail करते हैं
Hmm.
तो आपको कहते हैं plugger.
Oh.
So
Hmm.
she has failed twice
Hmm.
and she doesn't let that stop her from, having all sorts of adventures. She's also उनके काफी fantasies है, उनके काफी desires है, और I think lots of girls can relate to all of these fantasies and desires that she has. पर ये कैरेक्टर ये किरदार दूसरे लोगों से अलग है क्योंकि she follows through on them. She decides कि मुझे ये करना है और मैं करूंगी. And
Okay.
yeah, she's a real go-getter. She loves her friends so much, and like many of us when we were teenagers, she's a little bit boy crazy, but that's okay. We all have phases and we all grow up and we learn that our energy can go in different directions, but for now her energy is going there.
But you are a go-getter too, I believe, क्योंकि आजा नचले के बाद मतलब when you decided to continue this as an adult also.
तो एक्चुअली क्या हुआ था कि इन द 11th स्टैंडर्ड आई वाज गोइंग टू गो टू अ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स हाई स्कूल, एंड वो हाई स्कूल में 4 स्ट्रीम्स थे. विजुअल आर्ट्स जो पेंटिंग था, परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स, डांस, एंड देन म्यूजिक. एंड आई हैड अप्लाइड फॉर द विजुअल आर्ट्स बिकॉज इन स्कूल मैंने सोचा कि एक्टिंग काफी अनस्टेडी करियर है, तो स्टेडी करियर क्या होगा? पेंटिंग. मेरा लॉजिक बहुत साउंड. So I applied to that, but कुछ admin error हुआ, and on the first day of school हमें message मिला कि हाँ, welcome to your performing arts. You're going to be doing stage performance, acting. और मैं बहुत घबरा गया. I don't know why I was so stressed out, and I in the car on the way there, my mother was saying, आप इतने घबराहट में क्यों हो? It's not a big deal. We'll reach there. We'll tell them admin error हुआ, कोई बात नहीं. But I was just falling apart. And then she turned to me and she said, I feel like this is something big for you. So I'm going to ask you a question. And she said, if there was anything in your life that you could do and you knew you would succeed 100%, what would it be? And अंदर से without even thinking मैंने कहा acting. And she smiled at me and she said, फिर problem क्या है? It's clearly some, I mean, I try not to be superstitious, but I always think about it like there was some intervention and some universal thing that happened. And the admin error say, I was just like, of course I want to do this. I know I want to do this. Even if it's unpredictable, it brings me so much joy. So it really was that moment that shifted things for me. And that statement, I'll never forget that. Just always do what you would want to do if you knew you would succeed 100%, because you can fail at everything in life. You can be doing something you hate and still fail at it, so might as well be doing something you love.
Exactly. और फिर कमबैक रहा कैसे? मतलब आपने आजा नचले किया आपने, and I guess Mad में you were there, right?
हाँ, yeah, I did one season of Mad with Rob on Pogo.
और उसके बाद फिर एक गैप आ गया, फिर कमबैक करने के टाइम ऑडिशनिंग एंड ऑल कैसा था एक्सपीरियंस उसका?
तो मुझे लगता है कि वो एक्सपीरियंस सारे मुंबई आने, like everybody who came to Bombay from anywhere in India will have this एक ही एक्सपीरियंस था. हम आरामनगर में चक्कर करते थे, हम खटखटाते थे दरवाजे पे और कहते थे प्लीज फिट हूँ मैं कोई पार्ट के लिए प्लीज. और मैंने मतलब जलेबी मिक्स एड्स के लिए ऑडिशन किया. मैंने शॉर्ट फिल्म जिसके पास बजट ही नहीं था, I've auditioned for things like that also. So it really was just that. It was getting myself out there. It was introducing myself to casting directors whenever they were around me. It was cold messaging, cold calling anyone. And I thankfully got a job working as a production design assistant with Meena Agarwal. So while I was doing all that, I was still able to keep, working and being on set, because in my mind, I was like, even though I'm not in front of the camera, मुझे set पे रहना है. So it was that, and then after that, I had the opportunity to interview to be a director's assistant to Zoya Akhtar and Alankita Srivastava, and for some reason they were like, "Chalo, let's hire you," and I was like, "Great, I'm coming across very capable." And it was then tabhi I took my chance and मैंने कहा कि please let me audition for this, and it really was just because of how good the script was, क्योंकि at that time streaming was actually just starting. Amazon, Netflix, everything had just started coming into India. तो कोई concept नहीं था कि ये इतना बड़ा है या इतना छोटा है, कुछ नहीं था. It was just like, it's an amazing script, and it's Zoya and Alankita and Nitya and Reema and like Prashant Nair. Like, this is the most amazing project ever, and Excel, like, this Dil Chahta Hai. This is the production company that Dil Chahta Hai. I obviously want to work with them. So that's how it was. It was a lot of auditioning, a lot of messaging, a lot of calling, and also Bhagwan ki dua.
Great. And my last question to you is, आपको किसके साथ काम करना है एज लीड आगे?
एक्चुअली ज्यादा अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, आपको किसके साथ काम नहीं करना है, क्योंकि मुझे सबके साथ काम करना है. I would
लेकिन
of course,
इनके साथ तो करना ही करना है, ये वाला जो होता है.
of course. I would of course love to be a part of any of Zoya Akhtar's projects. You know, I've worked with her as, a director once in a series. I've worked with her as a producer. And going forward, I mean, she's an amazing, amazing, amazing director. So obviously her always. Nitya, anytime she calls me after this, amazing project we've done together. And like my wish list directors are definitely Sanjay Leela Bhansali. I think that he is, मतलब शब्द ही नहीं है to describe the kind of director that he is and the worlds that he creates and the homages that he pays to Bollywood, like traditional, classic, like old time Bollywood is just beautiful. I would love to work with him. I would love to work with Shakun Batra. I would love to work with Imtiaz Ali. I mean, I could just keep going, but on like at the top of my list is definitely Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Okay, great. Hope वो ये क्लिप देखेंगे तो जरूर कंसिडर करेंगे. I really hope.
These are my profiles.
Okay, so it was lovely talking to you, Dalai, and hope to see you more on screen.
Thank you so much.
To do more interviews with you. Okay, that's it for today.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you.
Okay.